So a lot of people, especially in the programming community, keep talking about AI replacing their jobs, especially programmers. A lot of people are worried that AI will just replace their jobs and they can't really do the things that they're good at or love anymore in the near future. And I have an opinion on it. I made a video about, will AI really replace programmers? And to summarize that video, I basically said that until AI can build like a full stack app, then it won't replace programmers. And I also think that developers should adapt to the new technology and use it to their advantage to help them be more efficient when writing code. So that's my opinion on it. But I kind of, after that video, which was months ago, I kind of reflected and, I still stand by that opinion, but I kind of want to add some more points to it. So one point is that to me, ChatGPT is a great assistant to help solve problems that you're facing. Let's say you're making a to-do list app, you want to create code functionality, and the problem that you're facing is that when you click a button, it allows you to edit to-do list item that you want to edit. What you can do is that you can actually ask ChatGPT how to do that, or while you're there trying to create the edit functionality and you buck up into a problem, then instead of going on like Stack Overflow and searching, all of Google just for a simple problem, you can just go to ChatGPT, paste in your code, and it can just fix it for you. That's one way in which ChatGPT can really help out developers. It can be like a intern kinda, but that's how I view it. And my next point is that, and this is the point that I mentioned in the Will AI Replace Programmers vid, is that for me, until it can create like full-fledged, full-stack applications with a good front end, with an API integration, endpoints, and a back end, then you're still going to need programmers. Because to me, when it comes down to people who are front end engineers, I think they're the ones who are the most vulnerable, because front end development is all about like design, organization of components, and some CSS, which the CSS is a lot more customizable, so you might need a programmer for that. But as it relates to the front end, it's basically just showing what's in the back end, and it's mostly just style. I think what programmers need to do is that I think every programmer should try and have the skills of a full stack developer, basically be a full stack developer. And the best part about it when it comes down to job market is that if you understand how to build full stack apps, that means you can either be a front end engineer, a back end engineer, or you can just go full stack. So it widens your options. And like I said, AI right now can't build a full stack app. I tried it with a Twitter clone. I asked it to build me a Twitter clone with the merged stack, which is MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node. Couldn't do that. It just gave me an outline, but it couldn't do that. I asked it to use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which are just vanilla front-end programming languages. It did it. It wasn't perfect at all. It wasn't good, but for a simple app, it was okay. Again, until it can build like a full stack app and actually write proper code, because ChatGPT writes sloppy code. And my next point is that AI will actually help create opportunities, and one of those I see is prompt engineers. I heard some of them are making like 300,000 a year, which is crazy. But apparently what they do is that they use these AI tools, these large language models, and write in the appropriate prompts, so that way they can get the desired output for the client. And I don't know, they get paid 6 figures to do that. I don't know, maybe there's more to it than you think at surface level, but it's pretty good that you're getting paid hundreds of $1,000s a year just to write prompts. So that can be like a next skill that you can learn and make a lot of money. So that's the next thing, is that AI will just help create a lot of opportunities, business opportunities, job opportunities. So yeah, that's why I think AI will just help us instead of replacing us. So I think you just need to have a mindset change. Instead of thinking that it's going to replace you and get worried, instead you should just adapt, allow it to make you more efficient, and also use it as a way to get like a better job opportunity. That's how I see it, and yeah, that's it. So I want to keep this video short, so don't forget to sub, press the like button, and yeah, goodbye.